What's up? It's really dark now. Come over here. If y'all like this video, push thumbs up, subscribe, share my video, and let's get it. You know, I'm just testing this out. I got a new flashlight, and this is crazy. This light, I love this flashlight. Just testing my flashlight out. Boy, this is neat. If y'all like this, thumbs up and subscribe. See, it's dark, see. Got the blue light on. See, got the blue light on.